The health benefits and uses of coriander powder and a simple recipe to use at home. 1. Coriander powder is one of the most used spices in the world and has some powerful health benefits. 2. The coriander plant is native to southern Europe and the Middle East, but is now grown all over the world. 3. The seeds are harvested from the plant, roasted and ground to make a fine powder, which is excellent for flavouring delicious meals. These taste different to fresh coriander leaves, yet have many similar health benefits. 4. It has the ability to prevent food poisoning by destroying harmful pathogens in foods which aren't refrigerated, including salmonella. 5. Those who suffer with high blood pressure or hypertension can add this powder to their food to reduce blood pressure and maintain a healthy heart. 6. Coriander powder also has a relaxing effect on the digestive system. It eases muscles which cause pain for those with irritable bowel syndrome, constipation or diarrhea. It also gets rid of a bloated stomach if you suffer with indigestion. 7. To clear up urinary tract infections, 2 teaspoons of this powder can be added to a glass of water overnight and then drank in the morning. This speeds up the healing process and eases the burning sensation when you urinate. 8. In Ayurvedic medicine, coriander powder is used to help regulate the female cycle by supporting endocrine glands and hormones in the body. It also reduces cramps, bloating and pain during a period. 9. It also causes you to urinate more often, which naturally detoxifies the kidneys and liver, relieving water retention. 10. To make coriander powder, simply purchase some high-quality coriander seeds. Wash them to clean off any dust and then dry roast in a pan on a gentle heat. When a beautiful aromatic smell is present and seeds look slightly brown in colour, remove them and allow to cool. Place them in a coffee grinder or use a pestle and mortar to muddle into a fine powder. This can be stored for 6 months in a dry, airtight container. 11. Sprinkling this powder onto your soups, stews, curries, stir-fries and marinades will add a delicious flavour and also help to lower inflammation throughout your body. 12. This has the positive effect of lowering muscular and joint pain when eaten as part of a healthy, balanced diet. 13. Coriander powder is also effective in killing and destroying intestinal worms and lowers blood sugar levels for those with diabetes. 14. The spice has also been shown to lower overall cholesterol levels due to the anti-inflammatory effect it has on the arteries. 15. This spice is often used in Indian cooking along with other anti-inflammatory herbs such as turmeric, pepper, ginger, cinnamon and garlic to add wonderfully yet healthy flavour combinations. 16. We recommend eating these spices regularly as they have been shown to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's and multiple sclerosis. 17. The powder is an excellent source of iron, copper, calcium, manganese, potassium, zinc and magnesium. These minerals are the building blocks for healthy blood. 18. It is also a rich source of vitamin C and B vitamins which are also essential to consume on a daily basis. 19. Coriander powder works well in homemade pickles, chutneys, sausages, marinades, stews, curries and sweets. Try adding a few roasted seeds into your pepper grinder for a more interesting and tasty seasoning. 20. To learn more about healthy powders used in natural medicine, cooking and home remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.